term extension will destroy our economy, not save it. Nzadapera mashoko buda pangwa inoi tikaona kuti makomenti is blocking the term extension. Achiti, don't be fooled, guys. This extension is not going to save our economy. It is going to destroy it. Nzadapera mashoko anobuda achi analyze I need this until Gananda figure. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Makomenti channel trembira nyura achiti. Zimbabwe's economy is at crossroads, and the path forward hinges on one crucial factor: respect for the constitution. Investors, both local and international, are watching closely to see if leaders will uphold the law of the land. When leaders respect the constitution, it sends a powerful message that the country is stable, predictable, and safe a bet for business. But when constitutional limits are bent or broken, like extending presidential terms, it sends shockwaves through the investment community. It signals instability, unpredictability, and a disregard for the rule of law. And that is a recipe for scaring off investors, stifling growth, and hating the very people leaders claim to serve. The reality is simple. Term extensions benefit a few powerful individuals, but they harm the broader economy and the public. That's why leaders are wary of putting it to a referendum. They know the people will reject it. For Zimbabwe to thrive, leaders must prioritize constitutional respect over personal or political gain. It's time to put the country's interests first and build trust with investors. The path to prosperity starts with avoiding the constitution. His Excellency ED must finish his term, then VP Chiwenga must take over. Mukanya will start by introducing clean governance. You can't attract international business community iwo chichikora constitution. Musanyeperwa. Domash kanotawa panapa na makomich. Pina comment section bedu zofunguro aim to lipa msoro chitkwech. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.